Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in these Kia key fobs. This is the newer version, and this is the older version. The process is pretty similar, there's just minor differences. They're both going to need a 2032 battery, and you can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description that will take you straight there. I'm going to show you how to use a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to use it on the old one, and the new one, the physical key, is pretty easy to use to open it up. So we'll start with the new one. Push this button right here, and pull out your mechanical key. Once you have that out, on this side, without the remote start, you put it on the bottom of this little tab, and that's very flimsy, so just be gentle with that. And you can see that pried it apart. On this one, the battery is on the board. I'm going to show you the older version. You push this button, pull the key out, and right here, you're actually going to go over the plastic tab right there with your screwdriver. And just, again, it's very flimsy. So just split the two like that. Use your thumbs. And you can see the board's a little bit different. The battery's over here. And then you just clip these back together like that. Make sure to give it a good squeeze. And on this one, same deal. Good squeeze. And replace your mechanical key. So that's kind of the two different versions. They're very similar, but just minor differences. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.